everyone, and welcome back to the SpeakWise English Channel, where learning English is simple, enjoyable, and practical. I'm Megan.
Hello, Megan, and hello, everyone. It's great to be here today. I'm really happy to join you all again.
It's great to see you too, Leo. You seem to be in a good mood today.
I am. It's a brand new year and the start of a new week, so I'm feeling quite positive. How about you, Megan?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I've been a bit busy lately, but that's not always a bad thing.
Absolutely. Being busy can be a good sign. But before we talk about our busy lives, we should say something important to our listeners, shouldn't we?
You're right, Leo. Everyone, if you're enjoying our podcast, please take a moment to click a like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to the SpeakWise English Channel. Your support helps us create more podcasts for you this year.
Also, please share this episode with friends or family members who are learning English so they can learn along with you.
Exactly. Sharing is caring.
So, Leo, it's January, the beginning of a new year and the first week of the month. Many people are talking about new plans and new routines.
That's right. And today we're going to talk about our week, from Monday all the way to Sunday.
A week has 7 days, and each day feels a little different.
That's very true. For you, does the week start on Monday?
It does. So tell me, Leo, do you like Mondays?
That's a tough question. On Monday mornings, I'm usually quite tired. My bed feels especially warm and comfortable.
I feel the same way. When my alarm clock rings at 7, I always think just a few more minutes.
But then I remember the coffee, and that changes everything. I head to the kitchen and make myself a large hot cup of coffee.
Coffee really helps. On Mondays, I try to be extra organized. I check my notebook and write a to-do list.
That's a great habit. What do you usually have on your Monday list?
I usually respond to emails, attend meetings, and go into the office.
Is your office far from your home?
Not at all. I take the bus, which I enjoy because I can listen to music or read.
That sounds relaxing. I usually walk to work. It's good exercise, although January can be quite cold.
By Tuesday, things already feel a bit better.
I agree. Tuesdays are more manageable. I've even started going to the gym after work.
That's impressive. Is it challenging?
A little, but I feel stronger afterward. I stay for about an hour, walking and lifting light weights.
January gyms are always crowded. Everyone wants a healthy start to the year.
Exactly. And Wednesday is the middle of the week, what many people call hump day.
I really like that expression. Wednesday evenings are my time to relax and meet my friend Sophie for coffee.
Midweek breaks are so important. For me, Wednesday is cleaning day. I tidy my apartment and do household chores.
A clean home really does make a difference.
Thursday always feels special because Friday is just around the corner.
That's true. By Thursday, I'm usually tired, so I stay in and watch a movie, usually a comedy.
Laughter is a great way to relieve stress. On Thursdays, I study English and review my vocabulary.
And then comes Friday, everyone's favorite day.
The atmosphere at work completely changes. People are smiling and wishing each other a great weekend.
Friday nights are usually quiet for me. I order pizza and relax.
Pizza on Friday is a tradition. I usually watch football and unwind.
Saturday is my favorite day. I sleep in and spend time outdoors.
I go to the farmer's market on Saturdays and buy fresh fruit and bread.
Saturday evenings are for friends, dinners, conversations, and laughter.
And then Sunday arrives, a slower, calmer day. I spend Sundays with family, enjoying a big meal and talking about the week.
Sunday evenings can feel a bit sad as Monday is coming, but they're a time to relax and get ready for the week ahead.
We've talked about a full week today, from busy Mondays to relaxing Sundays.
Yes, and routines help us stay organized even on cold January days.
To our listeners, tell us about your week. What's your favorite day and why?
Leave a comment below. Writing your answer is great English practice.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with friends who are learning English.
Thanks for listening, everyone. I need to prepare for Monday now.
Good luck, Megan, and have a wonderful week, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.